Welcome back to the final section of this program, in which we shall discuss good working practices. During most repair or overhaul situations, machinery may be totally dismantled, and unless the artisan is careful, many fasteners may be lost or mixed up. It is our recommendation that before you proceed to dismantle any component, take a good look at it. Take note of the fastener types used and where they're fitted. Making a working sketch of the unit is often a valuable aid when it comes to reassembly. A very good practice is to replace fasteners into their positions once a part has been dismantled. This does two things. It prevents them getting lost, and it'll tell you exactly where to replace them. Always fit the washers and the nut onto bolts. This will also prevent you having to spend time searching for the correct items when you reassemble. It often helps to use containers to keep fasteners and parts from different components separated. Marking the containers for each main component will make your reassembling much more hassle-free. When replacing fasteners, especially if you have managed to mix them up, make sure you have the right size, thread, and length, as we learned earlier in the program. Remember, if a fastener doesn't thread easily by hand, you either have the wrong thread type or there is some damage to the threads. In program number 5, we shall learn how to deal with damaged threads. Only fasteners that are in good physical condition may be reused. Nylock nuts must never be used more than once. The insert on a used nylock will never relock onto a thread. Reuse of used fasteners may not be permitted on certain critical components. Always check with your supervisor or the manufacturer's specifications whenever you are replacing fasteners. This concludes program number 3. Join us in the following program where you can learn more about mechanical threaded fasteners.